Hello guys, my name is Natasha Rumeta Manolang. Today I will tell you my recipe for making fried rice and I will explain to you how to make fried rice. Let's start cooking! First of all, pure the garlic, onion, and chilies with the help of pestle and mortar. Next, prepare a frying pan and then pour the cooking oil to the pan according to your taste. After that, heat the frying pan just using a medium flame. After the cooking oil is hot enough, pour the pure seasoning. Stir all the materials until fragrant and ripe. Then, put the egg, scramble it until cooked. Now, add the 1 plate of white rice and stir it until mixed enough with all ingredients. Add salt, chili sauce, soy sauce, and pepper until all materials are blended. After everything on the pan is fragrant enough, serve the fried rice into the plate. Now you can decorate it with sliced tomato and cucumber to make your fried rice look more delicious and interesting. Your fried rice is ready to serve.